So I received this wireless CarPlay converter as a gift and I cannot wait to plug it up. I have a car that did come equipped with CarPlay. However, you need a cord, and a lot of times my cord doesn't work, can't find the cord. I've replaced the cord so many times, so I cannot wait to make mine wireless. And this is what it looks like. It does come with some instructions. However, it looks pretty straightforward. And it did come with these stickers so that you can mount it or stick it to your car however you would like. This is our wireless adapter, and it did come with this adapter for your cord if your car takes this type of cord. But mine does take this USB, so I'm just gonna go ahead and plug it up. So it lights up really pretty when it is plugged in, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to pair it. So you will have to go ahead and enable Bluetooth, and then you will go ahead and pair it like you would a brand new phone. I will let you know that you have to unpair your original connection, or else it will cause problems when you're trying to use the CarPlay and trying to make calls. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. My phone calls are crystal clear and my CarPlay is working as designed.